Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. So I went fishing yesterday. I was gonna do a little bit more filming. It got a little rough, so I didn't get much filming done out on the boat. We didn't catch anything. We were just going to look for some cobia. I can show you some of the footage of us riding out there. The audio is gonna be horrible because of the wind.
Bump in and out of gear forward.
But what I'm going to show you is rock lights that this company sent me, and I had a pretty good idea what I wanted to do with them. As a lot of you guys know, I already did an install on my truck, you know, with the wheel. You know, I put them in the wheel wells where they're supposed to be. I'm going to use these a little bit differently. I think it's going to give you a lot of good ideas for your truck, whatever vehicle you have. It'll work with any one of them. And I'm gonna go show you what it looks like. The box, it's kind of similar to the one I have, different brand. So these are them right here. I'm gonna open them for you guys. So the company is Koya. I don't see the name on these. I'm sure they're just, I don't know. I don't know much about how they do this stuff, like the rebranding and stuff. But either way, they look similar to the ones I have on the truck from Mick Tuning. So I'm gonna pull this out. It's all Bluetooth like the other one. You got your directions here. Yes, it looks identical. All right, guys. So it looks similar to the one I already installed on the truck, which is held up great. So that's good. I believe this one is $49.95 on Amazon. I'll put the link to this in the description. But my goal right now, I'm gonna take this out, the controller right here. I'm actually gonna mount this in the truck, and so it's gonna be a little easier to wire that way. I got 16 gauge wire. I'm gonna butt connect into this. I'm gonna run it through the firewall in the truck, connect it to the battery. I don't know where I'm gonna mount this in the truck just yet. Preferably probably on metal, just in case this does get too hot. It's not, you know, plastic on plastic. So what I'm gonna be doing is put this in some central location in the truck, and you got 4 rock lights that come with the kit. And so my plan is to put them in the footwell, you know, under the dash in the driver passenger seat, and then underneath the driver and passenger seat for the back. So that's the goal. I'm gonna figure out as I go how I'm gonna mount them underneath there. Under the front dash will be a little easier, I think. I don't know how easy it'll be mounting underneath the rear seat, but you know, we'll see. I'm gonna go look it over real quick right now before I even get started. The wiring is gonna be the afterthought, I think, because literally run power to ground through the firewall to the battery, and you're good to go. So pretty easy. All right, guys. So this should be a pretty straightforward install. If you guys go on my older videos, I did the full install on, you know, in the wheel wells where they're supposed to go, like I said. And very easy, but I figured I'd make this video to help you guys out, give you guys some ideas about how to light up the inside of your truck. You know, and as you know, this is RGB, so whatever color you want, you can choose. I have blue in my instrument cluster and all this, you know, 4-wheel drive lights and all that, so I'll probably be running blue a lot. But yeah, hopefully this is gives you guys a good idea. Maybe go pick one up and do it yourself. And yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. First, I'm gonna go find a spot for this in the truck. So let's go look. I'm just gonna zip tie it to this piece of metal for now. We'll see how it holds up. I think it'll be fine. And then obviously I'm gonna run the power wire underneath somehow down here, along there, then up through the firewall. Or I might do one of those ADA circuits for right in here. Maybe not though, I don't know, we'll see. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna run it directly to the battery. I ain't gonna worry about the fuses in here. I'll probably put an inline fuse under the hood, but that's gonna be the easiest right now, I think. Just run it directly to the battery. All right guys, so here's my the power right here. It's gonna be going obviously right to the controller down there, wherever the cord is, right here. So that's gonna be going in those. And as you can see, I used a drill I kind of twisted these together just kind of to clean it up. I like to do that on some of the stuff. That way you just don't have like, you know, two different wires hanging around. So what I'm gonna be doing is, as you can see, I already ran it through underneath there. And now what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be tucking it underneath this, running it up through the firewall, and then going right to the battery. So, all right guys, so what I'm gonna be doing right now, I got everything wired up. I just gotta tuck this wire. As you can see, I redid it so I could do the quick connects right here, just disconnect it or something if I don't wanna use it, which is gonna be nice. So as you guys know, it's right there. Here's one of the rock lights. So I'm gonna be tucking it up through there like I said. You can see that hole right down there. Tucking all of them up through there. And I'm just gonna run them wherever they need to go. But right now, I'm gonna pause. I actually gotta go with my brother. He's got new wheels for his Challenger. So we're gonna go pick up his car and his old wheels real quick. So I'm gonna resume this when I get back. All right guys, so I have it ran up right into there, into here. I've been kind of just dragging it out because I'm trying to wait till it gets a little darker so I can show you this lit up. So, like I said, this video is gonna be late, I think, but oh well, don't matter. So now I got the 4 here. Now I'm gonna be running them one under here, one under there, and I still don't know if I'm gonna do it underneath the seat or am I gonna go or underneath the front seat or underneath the back seats. Not sure yet. Alright guys, so both sides are done, or both front sides are done. I got this one up under here, 3M'd up there. I like 3M. The other side I have it kind of up, pushed towards, kind of by the brake pedal. And now it's time to do the back. Alright guys, it's all done for now. I think I have to do a little bit of adjustments here and there. Hopefully the 3M holds pretty well. But here's the app, similar to the other one. Just find the Bluetooth. Alright, mine was already connected, so I'm good to go. I just turn it on. It's hard to tell. It's still pretty bright out, but look how these are. I mean, these are pretty bright. I'll probably keep it on blue, like I was saying. I'm gonna show you guys here in a little bit when it's all lit up, but I ended up putting it right there, like as a little crossbar. I did the same on the other side, as you can see right there. And so far, I think it's better right there. And like I said guys, I'm gonna show you here in a little bit once it gets a little darker, because it is not dark at all right now. It's only 7 o'clock here. I think it looks amazing. But yeah, I will see you guys here in a little bit when it's really dark. That way I can kind of go over everything. As you guys see, my dash is blue. These lights in the steering wheel are blue. 4-wheel drive switches are blue. My AC are blue. You can't really tell right now, like I said, but I'm gonna go ahead and shut everything down and wait till it gets a little darker and then go ahead. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's actually dark out. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna turn on my lights. Look. Wow, that is bright. I want to get those lights off though. There we go. Okay. Forgot about that. Alright guys, so look how bright that is. It looks awesome because you shows like you can see the amps right there shining through. It lights up basically the whole back seat, the whole back area. And then you got, look how bright they are. And I'll show you over there. Super bright. Hell yeah. So I'm all done. Clearly you guys just seen it. But what I was gonna say is, go check these guys out. I'm gonna put a link to them in the description below. I think it's an Amazon link. I think it's 49 bucks for this rock light kit. I know it's not like your typical way you'd use a rock light, Usually it's wheel wells or something like that. But I just found that would be a pretty cool idea to put them underneath the, you know, the dash and all that, because I think it looks, I don't know, I think it's cool to really light up a truck like that. It's really bright inside of a truck, so and the cool thing is you can turn it down if it's too bright, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here. I know it wasn't like your typical regular vlog. It was just more of a installs type video, which that's what I'm trying to do with this channel. I want to help you guys do these installs on your own and kind of give you guys ideas. So, but yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And the next video is gonna be awesome. We're gonna be prepping for the wrap. The wrap goes on Monday. And so I'm really excited about that. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching.